One method of enhancing the leveling accuracy is the use of parallel plate micrometer. In the regular use of leveling rods, when we are reading that through the level instrument, we read the leveling rod in 3 parts. First, we read up to the E, let's say, and this is 1.5 meters. Then we count the centimeters up to the leveling, the whole centimeters up to the center here. And in this case, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so it is 9 centimeters, which is 0.09 meters. Then we have the lift over here, this small distance, which is part of a centimeter. So we want to estimate. Now, we are not directly reading, we are just estimating this distance here, and we have to estimate it in millimeters. It's up to your skills and estimations and training and experience on how you can estimate this part. Here, if you look, it is a little bit above the center of this centimeter, or the middle of this centimeter. So you can say it's about 6 millimeters, or we can say the 6 millimeters, they are around 0.006 meters. So adding all these 3 parts together, 1.5 plus 0.09 plus 0.006, this is the reading of this leveling stuff. Now, when we are talking about precise leveling does not allow this kind of, let's say, high inaccuracy or estimation. So we need something much better in reading the leveling stuff. The solution in the reading is the use of parallel plate micrometer. It's a piece, and it is attached to the level. So this is the level, and we attach this parallel plate micrometer into the level itself. We tighten it to the level so it will not slip down using this knob or the screw, and this will be the screw or the knob that we will use in our measurements. What is the advantage of using the parallel plate micrometer? Actually, here we are estimating the millimeters, while using the parallel plate micrometers, we will be directly reading up to 0.1 millimeters. See, we are estimating here, regularly estimating the millimeters. Here we are reading up to 1/10 of a millimeter. What is the estimation? It is 1/100 of a millimeter. So imagine how many times we are enhancing the accuracy of the leveling process. How does it work? When we have the micrometer attached to the level, it is as simple as that. When you have the leveling stuff, and we have the hair, the middle hair, we turn this knob. Sorry, this is this knob, not this one. Okay, this is just a mistake in the drawing. We take this knob, and then we will turn it. By turning this knob, what will happen is that the hair that was here, the middle hair, it will start going down. We continue turning until this middle hair is aligned with the bottom of this centimeter. So when it is at the bottom of this centimeters, what will happen? There will be a counter inside. You will see it when you are looking from inside. There is a place where you look into the micrometer, and you will see this counter. What is this counter? This counter is actually the amount that we lowered the parallel plate, the center here, using the parallel plate micrometer. So what are these? 15, 58, 59? 58, it is 59 or 58/10 millimeters. So 1 centimeter, it is subdivided into 100 parts. So every part of this centimeter, it is 1/10 from the millimeter. Now, 58/10, these are the millimeters. As you can see here, the center. So how many parts do we have? Complete or whole parts: 57, 58, and 59. So the hair is between 58 and 59. So we have 58/10 complete parts of the centimeter. 58/10. So it will be 5.8 millimeters. But since the Here is in the middle, somewhere in the middle. So between 58 and 59, this is the 1 over 100 of a millimeter that we want to estimate. So now, what do you think this will be between 58 and 59? It's around 0.6, 0.7 of that, so it is only 0.7 here. We just estimated. So how many parts we'll have now? It is 58.7. The 58.7, these are over 10 of a millimeter. So the whole part in meters 1.5, which is this one. And then we have 9 centimeters up to this point. And then the rest, this distance, it is what we read through the parallel plate micrometer, and it is 58 whole parts and 0.7. This is what we estimated. And this is in 1 over 10 of a millimeter. So divide these 58.7 divided by 10 millimeters, and the total reading would be 1.59 plus, which is the summation of these two. These are a direct reading, and also the 58 is a direct reading, and the only estimation is the 1 over 100, which is the 0.7. So add all these together, and you will get 1.59587 meters. And this is a great enhancement to the leveling accuracy through reading the leveling stuff with the parallel plate micrometer. Now, this is just another summary. What is a parallel plate micrometer? It's a tool, like optical tool, that slips over the telescope objective. We just slip it like here, and we tighten it, as we said. And this is where you turn it to just match the hair up or down with the center here and the nearest centimeter, and after that you do the readings as we explained before. Here are the parts. Here is the first, it is the knob that we turn. Open side, of course, we need this cam, because when we put it, we will cover the original gun sight of the level instrument. So we need a replacement one. So we use this just to aim to align the level with the leveling stuff. So we use this. 3, this is the housing, or this is the encasement or the case of the parallel plate micrometer. And here where we tighten that parallel plate micrometer into the existing level instrument. And this is all for the usage and the enhancement of using parallel plate micrometer.